Today I am going to introduce singular simplet. It's a new topic, come on. Come on. I have lot of things here. I'll show you, I'll explain you. Come on. See here. What is this, children? B for ball, you know very well. What is this? Ball. What is this, Amma? Ball. What is this? Ball. Only one ball. Children, here, this is one ball. Only one ball, Amma. B-A-L-L, ball. Okay? You know this. B for ball, you know. And what is this? Car. C for car. What is this, Amma? Car. Only one car. See, Amma. Only car. Only one car. And what is this? Pen. What is this, Amma? Pen. What is this? Pen. What is this, children? This is pen. What is this? Cat. What is this, children? Cat. What is this? Cat. Only one cat is here. I am showing you one cat. See, children, one cat here. Then, what is this? Pencil. What is this? Pencil. What is this? Pencil. Only one pencil I am showing you. Children, see carefully. One pencil. Can you see who is this? Boy. Can you, children, Amma? What is this? Boy. Who is this? Boy, Amma. You can see the picture carefully. Who is this? Boy. Okay. Now I'll show you. Once again, children. This is car. Only one car. Only one car I am having. See? Only one car I am having. I am showing you one car. See, children. This is car. And one ball. I am having only one ball. Now there are ball. This is one ball. This is one pencil. Pencil. This is pencil. Boy. Boy. Who is this in our class? Who is this boy? Can anybody say? Who is this boy, Amma? Who is this? Who is this boy? Monos. See, only one. Monos is only one, no? Then. Cat. Only one cat. See, Amma, children. See, one cat. I am having only one cat. See. Now I'll show you. What is this, children? See, children, what is this? Can you see? In domestic animals you are having? What are these, children? See? What is this? Come on, first tell me what is this? First, what is this, children?
Cow.
What is this, children?
Cow.
What is this, children?
Cow.
Cow. Boy, I have many cows. See, one cow, 2, 3, 4. 4 cows I am having, not one. Till now I showed you one. One pencil, one cat, one ball, one pen. But now see, many. See, many I am showing you. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. What you say? What you say, children, now? Cows. What you say? We don't say cow. If it is one, we say cow. But now many are there. See, children? Many. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cows are there. What you say? Cows. What you say? Cows. For cow, you add yes. On the end of the word, you add yes. See, 4 cows. How many cows am I having? 4. If it is one, we say cow. Amma, one unte cow antam. You see, have many more. See, many. See, many. 1, 2, 3, 4 more. Appudu manam em annali? Cows. What should we say? Cows. Cows. What should we say? Cows. What are they called? Cows. Then I'll show you now. Come on. Next. Come on, children. What is this?
Tiger.
Come on, children. What is this?
Tiger.
Come on, see. So many tigers I'm having. See, children. Babre. See how many tigers. Boy. See. I'm counting. You see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tigers. 4 tigers means many. One I'm having. No. See, 4 tigers. 4 means many. Come on. You see, observe carefully. Come on, children. How many I'm having? 1, 2, 3, 4. Many. See, many are there. Then what you say? Tigers. If it is one you should say tiger. But you have many. Children, number 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what you say, children? Come on, say.
Tigers.
Tigers. What you say? Tigers. If it is one, you say tiger. What is this, children? Tiger. What is this? Tiger. What is this, children? Tiger. But now we have 4. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4 children means many. You have already learnt in Nancy one more than many. If it is one, tiger we say. We say tiger. But now we have many. Chala unnai kadamma. Man emanali what we say? Tigers. What we say? Tigers. What we say? Tigers. If it is one, we say tiger. There are many. What you say? Tigers. What you say? Tigers. What you say, Amma? Tigers. Now I just assure you. What is this, children?
Cow.
What is this?
Cow.
What is this? Cow. But now we have many. See, many. Amma chala unnai kada. Premana, what should you say?
Cows.
Cows. Cows. For cow, end of the word you should add yes. End of the word you should add yes. End of the word you should add yes. If it is one, what we say?
Cow.
What is this?
Cow.
What is this?
Cow.
What is this?
Cow.
What is this?
Cow.
Now we see many cows. Many. You see many cows, children. Amaya, you see? You have many cows. Children, you have so many. What you say?
Cows.
What you say? Cows. If it is one, we say cow. There are many now. What you say? Cows. What you say? Cows. Next. Amma, you can see the balloon here. Balloon. What is this? Balloon. Balloon. What is this, Amma? Balloon. For your birthday parties, you put no. What is this, children? Balloon. What is this? What is this, children? Balloon. What is this? Balloon. Now I am showing you. Come on. See. Now you see. Now how many balloons I am having? More. Many balloons. Many balloons. What you say? You say still now also you say balloon. No. What we say? Balloon. If it is one, we say balloon. Okkutunte one undanukonamma, we say balloon. If it is one unte man balloon antam. Uppudu now I am having many bold ఉన్నాయి చూడండి. Have you seen? See, many are there. What you say now? Balloons. What we say, Amma? Balloons. What we say? Balloons. Birthday party at intlo antu we put balloons. Pettuntam kadamma. What you say? Balloons. What you say? Balloon antara? No. What you say? Balloons. If for birthday party room is full is decorated with balloons. What you say? Balloon. Balloon pettunam anta. No balloons. My house is decorated with balloons. Balloons. Number of balloons. See, Amma. For your party, for your birthday, you put one balloon. No, you put more balloons. You decorate your room with full balloons. No. If it is one day, you should say balloon. Now you see many. 1, 2, 3, 4 more. One. What you say? Balloons. What you say, Amma? Balloons. Emantaru Amma quickly? Balloons. Next. Horse.
Toy.
Come on, what is this? Toy horse. In nursery we have, Amma, this is toy horse. In the Amma, this is toy horse. You can climb it and you can play. This is a toy. It's not a horse. It's a toy horse. It's a toy horse. See, how many toy horses we are having here? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six toy horses we are having. See, children, a number of five. If it is one, we say toy horse. Amma, one ante manam toy horse ante. Kudu manaki number of so many board unnai man daggara. Chaala unnai chudandi amma. You can see so many are there. What we say so many. See, children, many are there. Chaala unnai man daggara. Appudu what we say toy horses. Toy horses. And end of the word we add yes. I'll show you in the blackboard. First let me tell you orally, I'm telling you children. If it is one, this is toy horse, children. It is a toy, Amma. It's not a horse. Just to play, Amma. It is called toy horse. In the nursery you have in toys lesson. Toy horse. This is toy horse. If it is only one, we say toy horse. But now we see many. Chala unnattu man emanali toy horses annaru. One unte toy horse antam. But we have many we have many. What we say toy horses. Ante toy horses. End of the word we put yes. If they are many, we put yes. Toy horses. What we say? Toy horses. If it is one, toy horse. We have many. We have 6. We have many. చాలా ఉన్నాయమ్మా. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏమనాలి? Toy horses. Toy. One ఉంటే we say toy horse. But we have now many. What we say? Toy horses. Next. Come on, children. Can you see what are these children? What is this, children?
Tree.
This is tree. What is this, children?
Tree.
Tree. Ma, tree. What is this?
Tree.
From where we are getting air? We are getting from outside. We get air. From trees, we get fresh air. From trees, we get fresh air. Come on. This is tree. What is this, Amma? This is tree. And here we see number of trees. So many trees. Amma, number of trees. You see here number of trees. When you go to the park, you see number of trees. In the park, we see, Amma, when we go for parks, when we go for Janmabhoomi Park and Gandhinagar Park and Vivekananda Park, you see number of trees. From trees, what we get? We get fresh air. Challa galastamma manaki chettu nunchi vastundi challa galastamma. It's a pure and fresh air. Trees. If one unte tree antaru. Okate one. If it is one, we say tree. But we have many. Chala unnai, chala chetlu unnai. What we say? Trees. Chala unnai chudamma, we say trees. Number many are there. What we say? Trees. What we say, children? Trees. If it is one, we say tree. We have many. We have many, we say trees. We have many, we say trees. Next. We have car. Car. What is this car? I'm having only one car, children. Car. What is this? Car. What is this? Car. Now I'll show you. Now see, children, how many I'm having? More. See, children, more. Now what you say? If it is one, you say car. If it is one, you say car. But now you see in my hand, you see many cars. Children, you see many. Then what you say? Cars. Ma okkutunte car ante. Ikkada chudandi na దగ్గర చాలా బోల్డ్ ఉన్నాయి. అప్పుడు ఏమన్నారు మీరు? Cars. Car ki car పక్కన CAR car పక్కన S పెట్టాలి. Then it becomes cars, plural. If it is one, we say singular. ఇది ఒకటే ఉన్నది కాబట్టి singular, one. ఒకటి. Now we have more, 4 we have. Then what we say? Cars. What we say? Cars. Even. What is this? Ball. Only one ball. Now you say, children, many. Chala balls ఉన్నాయి. చాలా ఉన్నాయి. This is one ball. What is this, children? You call it ball. ఏమంటారమ్మా? Ball. B-A-L-L, ball. But now you see, so many balls. You can see inside. So many balls, many. What you say? You call it ball. Ball అంటారమ్మా. Ball అనాలా కాదు. చాలా ఉన్నాయి కదమ్మా. ఏమన్నా? What should you say? Balls. What should you say? Balls. There are many. What you say? Ball. I'll show you example. Now, ball. B-A-L-L, ball. One, we say ball, singular. One ఉన్నప్పుడు ball. Now you see more. చాలా ఉన్నాయి. అప్పుడు మనం ఏమనాలమ్మా? One ఉన్నప్పుడు singular అంటారు. Ball, singular. One ball ఉన్నప్పుడు singular. ఇప్పుడు we have many. Number of ఏమనాలి ఇప్పుడు మనం? Balls. What you say? Balls. B-A-L-L. పక్కన ఏం పెట్టాలి? వర్డ్ పక్కన ఏం పెట్టాలి? We should put yes. Balls. One. If it is one, we say ball, singular. ఒక్కటి ఉన్నప్పుడు ball, one, singular. Here more, many ఉన్నాయి. అప్పుడు మనం ఏం పెట్టాలి? చాలా balls ఉన్నాయి. అప్పుడు ఏమనాలి మనం వీటిని? What we call them? Balls. చాలా ఉన్నాయి కదా. What we call them? Balls. If it is one, we say ball. ఒక్కటే ఉంది. One, only one is there. We say ball, singular. ఒక్కటే కాబట్టి singular. It's ball. Here we have now so many balls. What you say? Balls. ఏమంటామా? Balls. If it is one, we say ball, singular. More, many. What you should say? Balls, many. Balls anali. Emanalama? Balls. Come on. I'll show you. Next. What is this, children?
Car.
What is this? Car. Singular. Only one. Car. C-A-R. Car. One. Okate undi kadama. One. It is one. We say car. Now see, children. What you say?
Cars.
What you say?
Cars.
What you say?
Cars.
What you say? Cars. If you have one, Miss, I have one car. If you have so many, what you say? Miss, I have so many cars. Now the board car, Miss. You say in that way, no? If I'll ask you to show cars, what you say? Miss, only one car. Miss, see, Miss, this is my car. Only car, you say. If you have number board, many, you have many. What you say? Miss, I have many cars. Miss, na the board car, Miss. Chala unnai, Miss. Miss, if you have more, one means car, singular, but you have
Car.
many of them only cars. You write the spelling of car, C-A-R, car, end of the word, what should you put? Yes. What you put at the end of the word?
Yes.
Yes, cars. Singular, car. One car you say. If it is one, we say
Car.
car. If it is many, what you say?
Cars.
Plural. If it is one, singular. Many unit, what you say? Cars. Plural. If it is one, singular. Many.
Cars.
Plural. Next. Now. What is this, children? What is this, children?
Cat.
What is this?
Cat.
What is this?
Cat.
Cat. Only one cat. Amma. What is this?
Cat.
C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. What is this, children?
Cat.
What is this?
Cat.
How many cats I'm having? One. One cat. Singular. One. Only one is singular. Next. Now you see how many I'm having here. See, children, how many I'm having. See, children. See, now many. So many are there. What you say? If it is one, we say. Now we are having many. Evanadama.
Cats.
What you say?
Cats.
What you say?
Cats.
If it is one, we say. But now we are having more. What you say, children?
Cats.
If it is one, singular. Many more.
Cats.
Many. Cats. One. If it is one, what you say?
Cat.
Cat. If you have many,
Cats.
Plural. C-A-T.
Yes.
Yes. End of the word, you should put yes. If it is one, we say cat. If it is many, what you say? Cats. What you say, Amma? Cats. Next. You see what is this? Boy. Who is this? Boy. Who is this? Boy. Now you see boy. What is this? Who is this? Boy. Come on. See how many boys are there here?
3.
3. If it is one, come on, who is this?
Boy.
He is one more, we say boy. B-O-Y, boy. Here you see, many boys are there. Have you seen, Amma? Many boys. What do you say?
Boys.
What do you say? If he is one, we say boy. Now you see many boys. So many are there. See, Ma? Many. One. If it is one, we say boy. We see many boys are there. What do you say? Boys. If he is one, boy. You see 3 are there. 1, 2, 3. 3 unnar.
Boys.
What do you say?
Boys.
B-O-Y. Boy. End of the word you should put yes. Yes, boys. Now, what is this, children? In domestic animals you learned very well.
Cow.
What is this?
Cow.
What is this?
Cow.
What is this? Cow. Come on. C-O-W. Cow. Cow. One kada. We say cow. If it is one, singular. One. If it is one, singular. One. We say cow. Now, you see many cows here. Come on, children. What to say now? If it is one, we say cow. Here now we are seeing many cows. అమ్మా ఇందాక one cow ఒకటి ఉండేటప్పుడు cow. Now you see many cows. చాలా many ఉన్నాయి. 1 2 3 4. What you say now?
Cows.
What you say children?
Cows.
Cows. If it is one cow. ఇప్పుడు many more ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏమనాలి మనము?
Cows.
Cows. What you say?
Cows.
What you say children?
Cows.
If it is one, we say cow. Now you see many.
Cows.
What you say children?
Cows.
What you say children?
Cows.
What you say?
Cows.
Cows. Cow is C-O-W. Cow. End of the word you should put yes. If it is one, cow. Now many. చూడమ్మా చాలా 4 ఉన్నాయి కౌస్. అప్పుడు మనం ఏమనాలి? దీన్ని కౌ అంటావా? నో. మెనీ చాలా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏమనాలి? కౌస్. కౌస్ స్పెల్లింగ్ పక్కన యూ షుడ్ యాడ్ yes. S పెట్టాలి. What should you should add? Yes. C-O-W-S. Cows. If it is one, we say cow. Here, if it is one, we say cows. Here, we see many cows. We see many cows. See children. Then what you say? Cows. What you say? Cows. If it is one, we say cow. Here, you see many. Many
Cows.
End of the word we should put yes. End of the word we should put yes. Next. What is this children? What is this amma? Shirt. You'll be wearing shirt for school, no? This is shirt. What is this children? Shirt. What is this? Shirt. You'll be wearing shirt uniform, no? In uniform you'll be wearing shirt. Top you'll be wearing shirt. What is this children? Shirt. What is this? Shirt. What is this children? Shirt. One shirt. You can see here. One shirt. What is this children? Shirt. Yes. H-I-R-T shirt. You have already learned in the lesson shirt spelling. You have already learned in the previous lesson. Shirt. What is this children? Shirt. Intermedi.
Shirt.
Only one shirt. Now you see children. I am showing you many. See. Now what you see? If it is one, you are saying shirt. One. If one unte man shirt అంటున్నాం. మా one ఏ ఉంది మనం ఏమంటున్నాము? Shirt అంటున్నాం. But now ఇప్పుడు చూడండి అమ్మా ఇప్పుడు so many shirts చాలా వచ్చాయి షర్ట్స్. చూడండి many వచ్చాయి చూడండి. Now what you say children?
Shirts.
Shirts. What you say?
Shirts.
ఏమంటామా మనం?
Shirts.
Shirts. What you say children?
Shirts.
What you say?
Shirts.
What you say children? Shirts. If it is one, you say shirt. ఒకటి ఉంటే మనం షర్ట్ అంటాము. ఇప్పుడు మన దగ్గర many ఉన్నాయి. Then what you say? Shirts. What you say? Shirts. What you say? Shirts. See, come on. Yes. H-I-R-T. Yes. End of the sentence. You should say. End of the sentence you should put yes. End of the sentence. Sorry, end of the word you should put yes. Shirt. S-H-I-R-T shirt. End of the word you should add yes. It becomes shirt. Yes. H-I-R-T-S shirt. End of the word you should add yes. What you say? Shirts. Evantamma? Shirts. Next. What is this children? What is this?
Tree.
What is this children?
Tree.
What is this?
Tree.
What is this?
Tree.
In the parks when you go for Gandhina or Vivekananda Park, you will be seeing lot of trees. Trees, Amma. You get fresh air from these trees. Come on, what is this? Tree. What is this?
Tree.
Children? Tree. What is this children? Tree. What is this? Tree. What is this children? Tree. What is this children?
Tree.
Now you see. Now you see how many trees are there? Come on children, you see? Now you see many. Now you see many trees. In the park you see many trees. Not one tree, you see many trees. See? You have now you see. If it is one, we say tree. Now we see many trees. Chala unnayi episode chudandamma. Ippudu em antaru వీటిని?
Trees.
What you say?
Trees.
If it is one, ఒకటే ఉంటే మనం ట్రీ అంటాము. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ చూడండి మనకు చాలా ఉన్నాయి, many ఉన్నాయి. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏమనాలి? ట్రీస్. ఏమనాలమ్మా?
Trees.
What you say?
Trees.
If it is one, singular. ఒకటి ఉన్నప్పుడు singular one. ఇది ఒకటే ఉంది, ట్రీ అంటాం. It is one tree. Now you see many, చాలా ఉన్నాయి. అప్పుడు మనం ఏమనాలి? Trees. What are they called? Trees. End of the spelling we should add yes. Tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. If it is one, we say tree. If it is one, we say trees. Then if many, what you say? Trees. What you say? Trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Next. What does this, children? Who is this girl? Who is this girl, Amma? In our class, so many girls are there in our class. Dedipya is there. Dikshita is there. So many girls. Come on, girl. Who is this? Girl. Who is this? Girl. If it is one, you see only one girl. Even your sisters will be there. Girl. One girl. Only one. See, Amma, one girl only. Now you see how many girls are there. You can see. See, children. See. Now you see many girls. Come on, see, children. You see many girls. See, one. If it is one, we say girl. G-I-R-L, girl. If it is one, girl antama. If it is one, we say girl. If it is one, singular, we say girl. Now we see many girls. We see many girls. See, Amma? For girl spelling, we add end of the word, we add yes. Come on, girl. G-I-R-L, girl. If it is one, we say girl. If it is one singular, we say girl. If it is one, okate unte manam girl antam. Now we see many. Chala mandu unnaramma. Student chala mandu girls unnaru. Then what you say? Girls. Chala mandu. What we say? Girls. What we say? Girls. Come on. Girls spelling. G-I-R-L. Yes. End of the word we put yes. End of this word we add yes. End of the word we add yes. End of the word we add yes. G-I-R-L-S. Girls. If it is one, we say girl. If many are there, what we say? Girls. If it is one, we say girl. Here we see many girls. Chala mandu unnaru. Manam emanallamma? Girls. Emanallamma? Girls. G-I-R-L-S. Girls. G-I-R-L-S. Girls. So many are there. What we say? Girls. Monkeys, I don't know. Monkeys, this children. What is this, children? Monkey. Come on, you see the monkey, and every day it will come in. It's coming to your houses now. Ah, yes. What is this? Monkey. What is this, children? Monkey. What is? Only one monkey is coming to your house. No, number of monkeys are coming every day. If it is one, we say monkey. Okate undi kadamma monkey antam. What we say? Monkeys. Now what you say? Monkeys. Monkeys. If it is one, only one, we say monkey. Now you see another monkey has come. Now what you say? Monkeys. What you say, Amma? Monkeys. What you say, children? Monkeys. If it is one, monkey. If it is one, now you see more. What you say? Monkeys. If it is one, we say monkey. Come on, children. Monkey spelling. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. If it is one, we say monkey. Children, if it is one, we say monkey. Now we are having another monkey. If it is two, you should say monkeys. What you say? If it is one only, singular, one only, we should say monkey. But another one has come. Now what you should say? Monkeys, plural, two. Now it's two, it's not one, it's two. What should you say? Monkeys. You should add for monkey, end of the word you should add yes. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Yes, monkeys. What you say, Amma? Monkeys. Here, toy horse. This is toy horse, Amma. For playing we use. This is toy horse. If it is one, we say toy. If it is one, we say toy. Come on. If it is one, we say toy. Here, we see more toys. So many, not one. In our class, we can put and we can play in our class. All children can play, Amma. See, now we are having many. More. If it is one, we say toy. But now we are having more. 1, 2, 3. Then what you say? Toys. What should you say? Toys. T-O-Y-S. Toys. T-O-Y-S. Toys. Now, tiger. Tiger. What is this, children? Tiger. In this lesson you learned several. Tiger. Come on, we are going to write tiger. Single. This one, no, I am writing on the board. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Now you see, children. Now, see, children. Many. If it is one, we say tiger. Now we see many. We see many. What you say? What you say, children? Tigers. If it is one, you say tiger. Now we see many. Many are there. What you say? Tigers. ఒకటి ఉంటే టైగర్ అంటామా. ఇప్పుడు చాలా ఉన్నాయి కదా. ఏమంటాం మనం? Tigers. If ఒకటి ఉంటే one ఉంటే we say tiger. ఇప్పుడు చాలా ఉన్నాయి. అప్పుడు మనం ఏమనాలి? Tigers. Tigers spelling కి end of the word we should add yes. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R-S. Tigers. And tigers. Tigers. End of T-I-G-E-R. Yes. End of the word we are adding. Number once you remember. See. Plural we are what we are adding? End of the word. We are adding yes. End of the word we are adding yes. Make them learn. Make them learn and make them to write for homework. Thank you.